guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, ASAP Daph, or D Hunter, whatever you want to call me. Today I've got a full glam nighttime routine. So first of all, I'm starting off my eyeshadow, and I'm currently doing a transition color in my crease, and then going in with my actual crease, or second transition shade in fact, from the Revolution palette. Taking my NYX palette, I'm taking the hot pink shade, and I am putting that all over my crease and my lid and blending that out. Then taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, I'm gonna do a half cut crease and I use it to carve out the shape. Now taking my Bare Minerals palette, I'm taking the light pink shade and I'm patting that into my lid, because patting it rather than swiping it obviously gets the maximum amount of colour. And now I'm going back in with that hot pink shade and blending out the edges of the shimmer colour and obviously the rest of my eye. Okay, I put on my 25 Mama lashes off camera because me and eyelash, we don't really cooperate too tough, so I can't be doing it on camera like that. Stop. So now I'm just carving out the top of my brow, because I always do it after doing my eyeshadow. I don't know why, I just do it. So just buffing that out with my small buffing brush. Now using my FENTY Pro Hydrating Foundation. Obviously I'm gonna apply that on my face. I'm in the shade 420 and I'm blending that in with my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender. You people that use dry beauty blender are pure villains, I swear to God. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to, highlight the high points of my face. This is like my first concealer though, and I let it sit in for a bit just so the coverage can build up, like when it goes a tiny bit tacky. Obviously then I blend it out again with my beauty blender. Okay, now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 and I'm putting it in like the most inner parts of my, of where I highlight, so that can be the brightest, because obviously because this is a full glam, no nighttime, this thing, something's like, I just want to you just need to see the highlight in it. Obviously you got to blend still, but you just need to see that, this is my face, I'm snatched. Oh, and now I'm contouring with Mahogany from LA Girl Pro Concealer. I need to find something new though, I won't even cap, but obviously it hasn't failed me so far, so yeah, so throughout this video you'll see me blend with my beauty blender and my Raw Techniques Expert face brush. I have two of those brushes. I've got one for like liquids and then obviously one when I'm buffing out like powder stuff as well. When I tell you that brush is a game changer, I will highly recommend. So obviously now I'm blending out my contour. I've been blending out my contour, the additional highlight.
30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up.
Bakerie flower power setting powder, and it slaps differently. I'm not going back to Laura Mercier, I'm so sorry. And it's in the shade Banana, by the way. No, Cassava. It's in Cassava. You don't know, this is more family known than my LA Girl. I Laura Mercier. I don't think I'm gonna go back. Like, look how every brush makes me look. Come on, are you deep? was listening to a mix though. That's why I'm having so much fun. Okay, now I'm taking my Morphe Brontour and I am going to firstly bronze my face with the bronze inside, and then I'll also contour my face with the contour side, because I feel like I didn't show you both sides in the clips, so that's why I did still. Yeah. Right, so now I'm setting my face with my Super Drug Vitamin E spray. Then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe No Filter powder in shade 11, and then after that I'm gonna highlight my face with the MUA highlighters in Golden Afterglow and Radiant Cashmere. Right, so I take the red and the orange and I mix it together from the NYX palette, and I use that as blush on the apples of my cheek and across my nose, because I don't know why, it just makes me look so cute when I do it. Then obviously I'm setting my face with my MAC Fix Plus in Gold Lights, then I set my eyebrows with my NYX Eyebrow Gel, and then I line my lips with my NYX Suede Lip Liner in Club Hop, I think the shade is called, and then I go in with my lip lingerie gloss in Butter first of all, after then after that I go in with Maybelline Butter Gloss by NYX as well. This is my favourite brand, you know. If you don't know, you should know by now. Then lastly I go in my FENTY Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Obviously, and now I fixed my lace because it was kind of lifting beforehand, and I'm just looking sweet or whatever, and they're posing for you guys, you know the vibes. But I hope you enjoyed this video, innit? So like, comment, share, subscribe, come back to the channel, join the Huncho family, and I'll be back with another video next week. Are you mad? Yeah, I'm Bruges fam. We actually Bruges. What the hell?